Are we creating psychopathic machines? The truth about how AI's fixed objectives could lead to dangerous consequences. Did you know that the global AI market is expected to reach a staggering $190.6 billion by 2025, growing at a compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, of 36.6% from 2020 to 2025? With AI rapidly transforming various aspects of our lives, it's crucial that we explore the broader implications for society as a whole. In this video, we'll tackle some pressing questions. How will fixed objectives in AI systems affect our ethical values and decision-making processes? What impact will general-purpose AI have on our economy, employment, and social structures? How can we maintain our understanding of civilization as AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives? Join us as we delve into these critical questions and engage in a comprehensive discussion about the far-reaching implications of AI on society, highlighting both the potential benefits and the risks we need to be aware of. Alright, let's dive deeper into our first point, the fixed objectives of AI systems. When we create AI, we design it with a specific goal or objective in mind. These systems then optimize their actions and decisions to achieve that goal as efficiently as possible. At first glance, this might seem like a strength, but when we take a closer look, it becomes apparent that the single-minded focus can lead to unexpected and potentially dangerous outcomes. You see, as humans, when we make decisions, we usually consider a variety of factors, such as ethics, safety, and the well-being of others. We balance these factors to reach a decision that aligns with our values and the context of the situation. However, AI systems don't have the same ability to weigh multiple considerations. They simply pursue their fixed objective like a dog chasing a car. So what are the implications of this? Well, if an AI system's objective doesn't explicitly take into account human values, safety, or ethical considerations, it might end up exhibiting behavior that we would perceive as psychopathic. It could relentlessly pursue its goal no matter the consequences or harm caused to humans or the environment. Now you might be asking yourself, how can we mitigate these potential risks? That's an excellent question and one that AI researchers and developers are actively exploring. But that's not all there is to the story. In our next segment, we'll be tackling the topic of general-purpose AI, its arrival, and the potential impact it could have on our world. You won't want to miss this important discussion, so make sure you stick around. Now, let's move on to a topic that's been the stuff of both sci-fi dreams and nightmares, the arrival of Artificial General Intelligence AI, or AGI for short. AGI refers to AI systems that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. Imagine an AI that can write a novel, compose music, and even give stand-up comedy a shot, all at the same time. Impressive, right? But this incredible potential also comes with a side of concerns that we can't afford to ignore. The timeline for AGI's arrival is still up for debate. Some experts say it's just around the corner, while others think it's more like waiting for a bus that may never come. Regardless of when or if AGI becomes a reality, its potential impact on our economy, employment, and social structures is enormous. Picture this: AGI-powered robots stealing your job, your favorite barista's job, and even your dog's job as a fetch enthusiast. Alright, well maybe not that last one, but the point is that AGI could disrupt the job market in unexpected ways, leaving us to wonder how society will adapt. But it's not all doom and gloom. AGI also has the potential to solve some of our most pressing problems, like climate change or curing diseases. So while the thought of a robot doing stand-up might seem terrifying, after all, who wants to compete with perfect comedic timing? The potential benefits of AGI are too significant to dismiss. To address the concerns surrounding AGI and maximize its benefits, we need to invest in ongoing research and have open discussions about its implications. That way, we can ensure that when AGI does make its grand entrance, we're prepared to harness its power for the greater good, rather than being caught off guard by its challenges. Up next, we'll be discussing the risk of losing our understanding of civilization as AI takes on a more significant role in our lives. Don't go anywhere, because this is one conversation you won't want to miss. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be interested in AI's implications on society. To stay updated on more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and let's continue this important conversation together. Alright, my fellow AI enthusiasts, it's time to talk about something that might sound a bit dramatic, but hear me out. We're talking about the risk of losing our understanding of civilization as AI becomes more and more integrated into our lives. Yep, we're going deep on this one. As AI systems become increasingly advanced and take on more responsibilities, we might be tempted to just kick back, relax, and let the machines handle everything. After all, who wouldn't want a robot butler to manage their daily chores, right? But here's the thing. By relying too much on AI, we risk breaking the chain of teaching and learning that has been the backbone of human civilization for generations. Imagine a future where humans no longer know how to cook because our friendly AI-powered kitchen appliances have taken over the culinary arts. Or a world where no one remembers how to read a map because we've outsourced navigation to self-driving cars and GPS systems. Sure, it might sound like a pretty laid-back life, but at what cost? It's important to strike a balance between embracing the convenience and efficiency AI has to offer while still maintaining our own knowledge, skills, and understanding. Let's not get too comfy letting AI systems manage everything for us, or we might just find ourselves in a real-life WALL-E situation, floating around on hover chairs, unable to do anything for ourselves. To preserve our knowledge and values, we need to ensure that humans stay involved in the management of society, even as AI becomes more prevalent. That way, we can maintain the richness of human experience while still enjoying the benefits that AI brings to the table. Coming up next, we'll wrap things up with a conclusion that ties everything together. Stick around because you won't want to miss our final thoughts on the implications of AI on society. Well, we've reached the end of our AI journey, but let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've explored the potential dangers of fixed objectives in AI systems, the looming arrival of general-purpose AI and its possible impact on our world, and the importance of preserving our understanding of civilization as AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives. What's the key takeaway from all of this? It's crucial that we remain proactive in addressing the implications of AI on society. By engaging in ongoing research, fostering open discussions, and striking a balance between embracing AI and maintaining human involvement, we can harness the incredible potential of AI while mitigating its risks before we end up in a "the machine stops" kind of situation. So, as AI continues to revolutionize our world, let's make sure we're ready to adapt and thrive rather than getting caught off guard by unforeseen consequences. And hey, who knows? Maybe one day we'll all be enjoying some top-notch AI-generated humor together without losing sight of what makes us uniquely human. That's it for today's discussion on the implications of AI on society. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things AI. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on how AI is impacting our world. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.